In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can solve an equation with unknowns on both sides. In a previous video that I'll link here, we learned about how we could solve the problem on the left-hand side, one where we have x on one side of the equation, and we need to rearrange it by doing inverses. Well, to solve an equation where we have unknowns on both sides of the equal sign, we can actually make it look very similar to what we had originally by removing x from one side. I always focus on the smallest number of x's first, and in this case I've got negative 4x on one side, 7x on the other. So I'm going to get rid of the negative 4x. The inverse of negative 4x is to add 4x. To remove it from one side, I'm going to add 4x to both sides to keep it equal, and this will give me 11x plus 3 is equal to negative 74. Now we've got our problem with x on one side, and I need to move all the numbers onto the other. Taking away 3 gives me 11x is equal to negative 77, and now dividing by 11 will give me x is equal to negative 7. I've now solved this equation. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So doing as we did on the left hand side, I want to get rid of the smaller number of x's first. The smaller number of x's is negative 8x. So to get rid of the smaller number, I add 8x to both sides. This will give me 3 is equal to negative 5 plus 4x. I now have all of my x's on the right hand side, and I want to move all of my numbers onto the left. So adding 5, first of all, gives me 8 is equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4, 2 is equal to x, or x is equal to 2. I've now solved the equation.